Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Today I'll be unboxing the Volutz series Equilibrium cables. They come in 1 foot, 6.5 foot, 10 foot, and 3.3 feet. So this is a lot of cables in one kit. So here's your shorter cable here. You'll notice a couple of things about this. They're gold plated on both sides for both parts, and they're nylon jacketed, so they have bending capabilities for a quick charge and sync. They're definitely tough, and the cloth on the outside is nice rather than just plain rubber, so that can break down pretty quickly. We like that they're it's like more of a hard plastic here, and then this is bendable strain relief on each side. Some companies do strain relief and no thicker outer coating for the actual connector piece, so we like that they do both. And the longer versions of these come with a cable management system built onto the cable, and this is from a company called Volutz. You can see their brand right there. And then going further inside the box, we like USB Type-C cables in all different lengths, because you never know when you're going to need a super long cable or just a short cable. These travel well because they all come with the cable management system. And then this is the really super long one, the 10 feet cable here. And again, with the cable management, we like that. A lot of companies include one cable management piece. This comes with nearly every cable except for the super short one. And again, this is from Volutz. Gold plated on each side, and they're ready to go and travel with you and charge your products. This is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Thanks.